ano pa ang gusto mong makuha tonight? Puso mo? gusto mo? Bibigay ko sa'yo.
Capsicum?
Capsicum? O, kinakabahan ka pa ba?
A little bit, but I'm very excited to be beside you.
Are you excited to be behind me?
No, I want to be beside you, so I will go forward.
Raise your hand if you guys wanna win. No one wants to win. Kahit ikaw narinig mo yung question, ayaw mo manalo. It will be alright. Pero mag-isip ka tonight, di pwedeng wala ha. Sasagot ka ng Q&A. Ang dili magtubag, dili mag-win. Are you ready?
Always ready.
Wow, can you run? So you feel like you can nail the question?
Yes?
Can you hammer the question? Ano yung RA mo ulit? RA?
RA 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act of the Philippines.
Oh, ang alam ko lang na RA is RAWR. Rar, rar. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Yes.
Alright, so anong ginagawa mo pag kinakabahan ka para maalis yung kaba mo?
Sumasayaw.
Okay, sasayaw siya. 3, 2, 1. Tan, 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 tan.
You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my
Naalis na yung kaba mo.
Wala.
Wala pa din. Kulang pa lang sayaw. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1.
You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink.
Saan ka pupunta? Oh, ano? Yes? Yes. Okay, so ano pinapakinggan mong music?
What?
Oh, English. Alright, sorry. What music are you listening to?
I don't know what was the title of that song, but I was dancing.
Oh, are you a dancer?
I don't know.
Oh, what's your talent?
I don't know also.
Would you like to find out? Alright, can you sing a song?
No, either.
No. So, what were you thinking while you were waiting for your turn? What are the things that are running into your head?
I was just happy because even if I was the last one to call to being in the top 5.
You were happy. Tingin ng happy. Chihuahua smile. Kinakabahan ka?
Not at all.
Wow, confident. And if you're so confident this evening, anong message ang gusto mong iparating sa mga kapwa mo finalist?
I'm very, very happy to them because we're in our 11 days in-house where we were just like bonding, and that's all.
Girl, lasing ka ba? Okay, sige. Ito na lang. Anong gusto mong sabihin na lang para hindi kita tinatanong?
What?
English. Sorry, I forgot English. What would you like to say?
What would like to say?
Anything you would like to say to the people, to the world, to your family?
I'm so happy to be stand here right side by you. Jusa?
Sure kayo sa kanya? Ready?
You're ready. Yes, we are ready.
Serious na tayo. Okay, ayan. Pag ikaw hindi nakasagot sa ginagawa mo talaga, hinga ka munang malalim. Baka masisipa ako dito. Ayan.
Thank you.
Ano yung gusto mong sabihin dun sa sagot mo?
It's not satisfying.